Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of one of the biggest names in the global car rental industry, Sixt Car Rental. If you've ever rented a car in Europe, the US, or even Asia, chances are you've seen their bright orange logo at an airport or downtown office. But is Sixt still one of the best car rentals companies in 2025? What makes it stand out from competitors? And what are some of the hidden things you should know before booking? You'll find out in this video. Let's get started. Sixt is a German car rental and mobility company that has been around for over a century. It was actually founded in 1912. This makes it one of the oldest car rental brands in the world. Today, Sixt operates in more than 100 countries with over 2,000 rental locations spread across Europe, North America, South America, Africa, and Asia. But Sixt isn't just about renting cars anymore. Over the years, they've expanded their businesses into what they call mobility services. There's a Sixt Rent, there's a Sixt Share, Sixt Ride, and Sixt Plus, which is basically a flexible car subscription. So instead of renting a car for a few days, you can keep one for a month or more, like a short-term lease. Now, let us talk about the main features of the Sixt car rental platform. Fleet and vehicle options. Sixt Fleets is one of the most diverse in the industry. You can rent everything from small economy cars and family SUVs to convertibles, vans, and luxury vehicles. They're known for offering top-tier brands like BMW, Mercedes, Audi, and Range Rover, which many competitors either limit or reserve for VIP customers. Depending on your location, Sixt may also provide specialty vehicles such as 4x4s, electric cars, or even high-end sport cars. The availability varies, but overall, Sixt tends to stand out for the quality and age of its fleet. Most of their vehicles are under 6 months old. Booking and flexibility. They offer two main bookings. There's the pay later, which is the flexible booking, and the prepaid booking. That one is discounted because you pay upfront. Sixt also has a very user-friendly website and app where you can manage reservations, extend rentals, or change vehicle categories. They've even built in contactless pickup and return in certain locations, which became popular after the pandemic. Add-ons and protection packages. Like most major rental companies, Sixt offers a range of extras that can make your trip easier, but they also add to the cost. They include the GPS navigation system, child safety seats, additional driver coverage, Wi-Fi hotspots, prepaid fuel options, and roadside assistance. Loyalty and rewards program. If you rent frequently, Sixt has a loyalty program called the Advantage Circle. It's divided into 4 tiers. There's the Express, there's the Gold, there's the Platinum, and there's the Diamond. The higher your tier, the better your perks, such as faster check-in, free upgrades, discounts on future rentals, and even access to exclusive lounges at major airports. Frequent travelers, especially business users, really benefit from these perks. Sixt Plus, the subscription service. This is a newer option that's been getting a lot of attention. Sixt Plus is a monthly car subscription where you pay a flat rate that includes the vehicle, insurance, taxes, and basic maintenance fees. You can swap cars, you can cancel monthly, you can even upgrade to a new model anytime after the initial month. It's perfect for people who want to drive without the long-term commitment of buying or leasing. They also have an incredible global reach. With over 2,000 locations worldwide, Sixt has one of the most impressive footprints in the rental industry. You'll find them at almost every major airport, downtown location, and even smaller regional spots. However, service quality can vary from one branch to another, especially since some locations are franchise operated. Now, let us talk about the pricing. Well, Sixt isn't the cheapest option out there, but it can offer great value depending on how you book. The pricing are majorly dependent on the car, model, and the class, how long you're renting for, if you're doing pickup and drop-off locations, or whether you choose to prepay or you choose to pay later. It can also depend on your age and driver profile, and of course, the insurance or the extras that you select. What are the pros and cons? Here are the pros. Extensive global network. Being in over 100 countries and thousands of branches mean that Sixt is easy to find wherever you travel. They have premium and modern fleets. Their cars are newer and higher quality than what most budget companies offer. They have a fast digital process. The app and self-service kiosks made booking and pickup seamless. Flexible booking options. Both the prepaid and pay later options are available. How about the cons? There are potential hidden fees. And the add-ons can be expensive, like the GPS, child seats, and insurance. They can quickly raise the total costs. So is Sixt car rental worth it in 2025? Well, here's my honest take. Sixt remains one of the most reliable and modern car rental companies in 2025, but it's not for everyone. If you value newer vehicles, fast booking experiences, and a touch of luxury, Sixt is absolutely one of the best choices. However, Sixt also demands that you pay attention to detail because you have to read the fine print. You have to inspect your car carefully at pickup and drop off and understand what's covered in your insurance. It's best for those who prefer quality and convenience over low cost and who are willing to pay a little extra for peace of mind, status perks, and a better driving experience. And that's it on the review of Sixt car rental. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Enterprise Rent-A-Car, Hertz, and Europe Car. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.